Hello guys, welcome to Mysterious Time Travel. In this video I am explaining the special theory of relativity, and through that I am explaining the twin paradox. It is put forward by Sir Albert Einstein. Watch the video without skipping for knowing this topic in depth. Anything that moves at higher speed will feel less time than that of others that moves at lower speed or at rest. First, I may explain the basics. For this, we want to know about the relative motion. Consider two cars A and B. A moves at a speed 2 meters per second north and B is at rest. When the person inside the car B looks at car A, he feels that the car moves at 2 meters per second. But when the person inside car B looks at car A, he feels that the car B is moving at 2 meters per second east direction. This is a common phenomenon. Like this, if A moves at a speed 4 meters per second and B moves at a speed 6 meters per second east, when a person at rest looks at car A, he feels 4 meters per second speed. But at B, he feels 6 meters per second speed. But when A looks at B, A feels that B is moving at 2 meters per second speed. This is relative motion. We relate the velocity of two different objects with respect to other. Thus, we calculate relative velocity. Now starts the important part of special theory of relativity. In 1860s, a scientist called Maxwell, through his inventions, put forward a truth that the speed of light in vacuum is a constant, which means anyone looking at the light will find the speed of light as a constant, that is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meters per second. If anyone moves at a speed that is equal to half the speed of light in the same direction of light, then according to our assumption we must find that light have half the speed of its own. But since the speed of light is a constant, it will not change according to the observer. So the person who moves at the speed half the speed of light will also report that the light's speed is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meters per second. How this can happen? There is a paradox. This paradox can be solved by an important person, the time. Here, the time itself slows down for maintaining the speed of light constant in vacuum. Here I had just explained the basics of special theory of relativity. If you have any doubt in this, please comment it in the comment section below. You will be confused in this idea because you didn't experience any such situations. But it is real. This theory have significant applications in the field of science. Even the GPS system that locates our position on Earth is working with the help of this theory. Every day there is a slight change in the time of the clocks in the satellites rotating around the Earth and those clocks in the Earth. Those clocks are not wrong, but the time slows down due to the motion of the satellite. In twin paradox, one of the twin had gone to the space at a high speed, so his time was passing at a very slow rate, so he aged low. But in Earth at a high rate the time passed, so the second twin was very old. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more videos like this.